again. Today I'm gonna put a book review about bad guys. I've been reading these books for the last couple of weeks. Don't think that, oh man, I wanna read good guys books. Just don't think like that. The bad guys become good guys and they're saving the world. So just don't think like that. Keep watching this video till the end. Let's get into the details. The author's name is Aaron Blabby. There are 12 books. I'm about to get the 11th and 12th book. There are 4 main heroes. First is Mr. Wolf, who is dangerous. Second is Mr. Snake, who is very dangerous. Third is Mr. Piranha, who is extremely dangerous. Fourth is Mr. Shark, who is ridiculously dangerous. He eats anything, anyone. He doesn't care who are you or what it is. He just eats. Eat. And so you know how dangerous they are? Unfortunately, they'll become good. Each and every book carries a different story. I'm just gonna tell you a teeny tiny story. From the first book, I mean a teeny tiny. The bad guys go in their car with a V8 engine and they're trying to save a kitten on top of the tree, and they were like, ah! They showed their sharp teeth and the kitten was so scared and was like, ah! Then they were trying to save dogs from the dog pound, and the dog said, no, get out of here. No, get out of here. You guys are gonna eat us. And they were still smiling and showing their sharp teeth. This book has a lot of pictures. You should definitely read this. Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel.